Good afternoon. I'm live from Kwarabuild Tech Conference 2024, and it's been a good audience, and the environment and everything. It's been wonderful. We are live with a very important person. As you can see him, is very important. So I would like him to introduce himself to the audience so you can know how important he is.
Yeah, thank you so much. Good afternoon. My name is Musty Mustapha. I'm the co-founder and managing director, CEO of Kuda Microfinance Bank.
Thank you very much. You can see he's a very important person, the CEO and the managing founder of Kuda Microfinance Bank. And let's just get to it. The way the world is going is moving toward technology and AI. What do you think are ways technology and AI can help the young entrepreneurs out there?
Sure. Look, these days the AI is the buzzword that everybody is using. But I believe beyond the buzzword, if we can look beyond that buzzword, there's a lot of value that we can harness, both for our country and from an individual point of view. From my view, the way I would sort of advise everyone, whether you're young or old, is to get an education, understand what technology is all about, and how well you can use that to solve your everyday problem. Because at the end of the day, if technology is technology, it's not going to make any meaningful impact if you are not using it to actually solve real problem. So my own advice and recommendation would be people should have an understanding and be able to use the technology to solve their real life problem.
Thank you very much on that. During your session, you said you actually go working with with Kuda's innovation from your university days when you actually saw a problem. How do you think young people can actually bring that ideas out and use technology to impact it, technology and AI to impact those ideas, to bring out a very good innovation to push Nigeria and Africa forward?
So, there's no one size fits all. There are different ways at which you can bring about a business from an idea to the reality stage. Great businesses of today that we know, they started from ideas as well. I think if there's one thing, there's so many things you need to consider to be able to bring up, to be able to create a business out of an idea. Well, if there's one thing I would say, it would be to stay true and committed to solving problems. Because business is all about solving problems. If you're not solving problems, you're not going to have a business. So you need to be able to stay true to solving real problems, and then the other will follow if you follow that path.
Thank you for your knowledge and thank you for that insight. Can you tell us, is there a way AI and technology, do they really have the space in the financial sector? And have there been any real impact AI and technology has ever impacted on the financial sectors currently?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, the tech and the fintech use technology. Yeah. So AI is a technology. Definitely, there will be huge potentials on how AI can impact financial sector. If I bring it home to us at Kuda, we're using artificial intelligence as an example to power our recommendation system that sort of like let customers know what sort of product they should be using and for what. Also, we're using AI to enhance customer experience in terms of our customer support, answering basic query from customers' perspective. There's still a huge untapped area that we're yet to be explored. So there's a lot of opportunity for AI in the financial sector in Nigeria.
Well, thank you for that. I'm very sure a lot of people want to be happy to know that there are still many untapped spaces for them to explore. And lastly, sir, the way the world is going, we're shifting to AI and technology, which everybody already knows. And we can see in the US, we use it for to detect fraud and all of those things like that. Sometimes they use it for internet banking, which also we are implementing in India and Africa. So my question is, do we actually have a shot as a country, Nigeria, and as a continent, Africa, do we have a shot at reaching those goals the way the European and the other countries have reached?
The short answer for me would be a resounding yes. We have a shot at to reach that potential, to reach that goal. But of course, we have to acknowledge that there's a peculiar challenges with our country, especially there's still a lot of fundamentals problem we need to solve. Power, infrastructure, road networks, security, a lot of things we still need to fix. But we cannot fold our arms and say, oh, until all those things are in place before we take advantage or go with the tide.
Yeah.
I guess what that means for us is we now have to, while we are solving the fundamental issue, we are also taking advantage of the new technology. In fact, we should be using the new technology, the new thinking behind the technology to solve this fundamental problem. Well, absolutely, I believe we have a shot. I'm a strong believer in Nigeria and everything Nigeria represents.
Thank you very much, and thank you for your time, and thank you for honoring us.
Thank you for having me.